Hello everyone, I am Sally with A Homespun Hobby and I wanted to show you the old master paintings that I have in stock here in Massachusetts ready to ship. If you follow Tiny Worlds of Wonder and Diamonds and Washi, then you know they're having an event, Summer with the Masters. They're co-hosting that. They're going to take turns filming videos about that, and it's running from now through the middle of August. And they're inviting people to work on old master paintings with them. So you don't have to have one right now and work on it through the whole event, but you do need to have one started before the event ends. So go watch their videos on it, find out all about it. They're even going to be giving away prizes. And I am offering a discount, 15% with the code Summer Diamonds if you buy an old masters painting from my website to participate in their event. So this painting, this is one of the first paintings I bought when I first started out. So the factory that I used at the time is double-sided adhesive, so I still have a couple of these left. From here on out, my paintings are poured glue, but this one I still have in double-sided adhesive. So this is, right, this is Anna Maria de Pontos something. She was a socialite. That's not a very good image right there. Well, it's a thumbnail, but it's not showing up that great. So this is 80 by 100, so I'm not going to open this whole thing up. If you go back to the very beginning of my website and look at my not my website, my YouTube channel, I did actually take the paper off. I'm not going to do that again. I am going to open it up a little bit to be able to show you how clear the canvas is with the codes. This is in square, and it's very gray. That was the color of the times. So I wanted to tell you a little bit more information about this. I'm going to close this down a little bit, maybe have not so much glare. Let's see, there you go. A little bit of glare, but you can see how clear the codes are. This has 50 colors. So I looked up information about this painting, and not a lot is known about it. And I found I found three different write-ups about this. One says this was probably painted after she was married. One said she had been married for 14 years. And the other said it was an equestrian painting. There's no horses in this painting. There's a little pug. So this painting was actually thought to be lost, and it was actually found shortly before 1983 when it was acquired by the Getty Museum. And they cleaned it up really well, and they found the date is in the 1800s. The information I have on my website was that it was painted in the 1700s. So I'm not exactly sure what is right. So if you're interested in this history of her, I would suggest that you go to my website to find out who she is. Anna Maria something de Pontos, and you can have a look. And the author is Francisco Goya, and so people don't really know why he painted this. So it's kind of a mystery in the art world, I guess. That's my speculation, because normally when you do research, you don't find three different things, three different sets of facts. So that's 80 by 100, 50 colors. It's a lot of gray. Her dress is gray. She's got lace in layers, and she has pink. She has a pink sash belt and some pink roses in the dress, and she's holding a rose, and there's a little pug at her feet, and she's standing in a park, so there's a stone wall behind her and a lot of trees. So visit ahomespunhobby.com so you can see an image of this painting. I also Spirit of 76. So if that image doesn't flash into your mind right away, you'll recognize it when you see the image. There's a lot of gray in this too, because it is a painting of a little band. You know, there's a drummers walking through. Is he playing the fife too? I think there's a fife player walking through a war zone. So there's a lot of gray smoke. You don't see the fires around them, but there's a lot of smoke, and they're walking through a battlefield. So there was a lot of parodies done on this painting. It wasn't really given a whole lot of credit in the beginning, and now it's probably one of the most recognized paintings and appreciated paintings in the history of art. One of them. There's so many. But you can see how clear that is. Again, this is 60 by 80. It's very large, so I don't want to take the paper off. If you go back to one of my videos in the very beginning, I did take it off once, so I don't want to do it again. So I have one of these left. This is in square. I also have Young Girl Reading. This is 40 by 50. I have two full kits of this, and this that I'm holding is just the canvas only. The factory had an extra one that was printed, and so they just sent it to me. I am having this remade in a larger size at the request of a customer, and I think 3 people have purchased this and really loved it. This is round. I'm having it made in square and round in larger sizes. So if you have extra diamonds that you want to do something with, this is 35 colors. So this would be great if you are just looking for a canvas, something to do with your extra drills. And the 2 full kits in round also. And I know I've shown this painting a few times. If you're new, thank you. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this painting as much as so many other people do. This is From Paris with Love. This is a lady sitting in a tea shop, I believe, because she's got her hat on, so she must be out in public. And she's writing a letter. This has 43 colors. There are 40 colors, and there are, 2 of them are AB drills. So there's 43 altogether. And there's 2 AB drills, and there's also specialty drills. She's got a specialty drill in her hat pen, her necklace, her earrings, and her rings. The necklace, I'm not so sure if these are specialty drills or AB drills. I haven't opened the packet to find out, and I haven't done this painting myself. Now, she is wearing a stole. Please understand, this painting is from the 1800s, and this was fashionable at the time, so please don't be offended by the fact that she's wearing an animal. During the time period, that was acceptable. And this is a piece of history. This is a replica of a piece of history, of a painting by Emile Vernon. So once you do the diamond painting, the face of the stole, the mink, isn't going to be as detailed as it is in the painting. So there's that. And again, I want to mention one more time, because I did a video before this and I don't remember if I mentioned it. Summer Diamonds is the code to use to get 15% off Old Masters. It's not going to work on anything else on my website, because the painting, the discount is for Jessica and Katie's event. But if you don't want to partake in the event, but you still want an Old Masters painting, Summer Diamonds is good for any Old Masters paintings. And I've got some on order now being made, and I've got customs coming in, and there's a lot going on. So, all right, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your support, and have a great day.